I'm gonna start off with this dark brown. Then I'm thinking go with one or both of these oranges. Let's see. Oh god. And I'm really going to like build in the brown color, hoping that it'll give the effect that I'm looking for. We'll see, I suppose. And now I'm going to use this brush. Oh, it already has the stuff on the top. I have to get new brushes. It looks like my skin tone. Oh, and I promise I'm not naked. I'm literally wearing some cap off the excess. I feel like I just covered up that round. First time bringing my makeup up this high. I can work with this. I was just listening to Britney Spears right before I started doing this video, like Slumber Party with Tanashi, Circus, 3, Womanizer. I feel like that's very millennial of me. Do you even know who Britney Spears is? Or did you only just find out about her in the Free Britney thing? T. No, I'm just kidding. Just look. Next. Now I'm going to use this color. At least this is showing up. Someone showed up to the party today. It's like in person, you can see the brown and stuff like that. But like on camera, I'm sure y'all like, what brown sister? Yeah. Now that the gold is on, we popping like champagne now. Let's go. Does anyone else get treated differently when they're wearing makeup compared to when they're not wearing makeup? Well, I always get treated differently when I wear makeup and when I don't wear makeup. When I wear makeup, people are so much nicer. But when I am not wearing makeup, ooh, I think a wing liner would save this. Anytime I do wing liner, I absolutely have to use tape. I used to do or practice my wing liner. I'll have like lopsided wings. The tape is basically my guideline as to where my wing line should be. I also use the edge of my eyebrows to kind of determine where I want my liner to end. Put the tape on your hand first and get the initial stickiness off, and then place it on your face. And please be 18 and over. I attempted this. Don't have time for your parents. Tell my child to put tape on their face. We all played a part in this. I have no idea what that was. And do the ends first, and then I kind of do like this motion to kind of like rest my hand up something so that I have a very steady hand. Sometimes I'll rest it on my face. Doing wing eyeliner or any type of liner with a liquid liner, you need a steady hand for sure, for sure. I just start filling in the thickness that it needs to be.
Cute face ass that. Jump in my jeans, jump in my bag.
So that it's consistent. I feel like it needs to be a little bit thicker. You get the idea. Give you a little satisfying eye peel. That's my favorite part. I just got through binge watching the first 3 seasons of that show Dynasty. It's so good. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I'm not someone who likes drama. I really don't. Like any drama, I'd be like. But on screen, no. He did what? She did what? I'm here for all of it. Appreciate the diversity that was on that show, well, you had Black, you had Latinx, you had Pacific Islanders on a show mostly about the 1%. I mostly clicked on the show because of Elizabeth Gillies. I hope I said that right. Elizabeth Gillies. She's from Victoria. She's kind of like her Jade character, but like so much better. She had a new layer. There was something else to know about her. She turned a new leaf. You know what I mean? No one likes stale blade and no one likes a stale character. And I've seen some young women with my complexion using concealer this color. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It's in the color Natural. Not natural for me, but natural for... I have no idea where the African accent came from. But I am not mad at that. There's this awesome show that I binged right before that. The Smart Money Woman. It's this Nigerian show and it's so good. Like if you are someone who knows you need to work on how you manage your money, want to do better, I think that's a good start. It's based off of this book by this Nigerian female author. So check it out. I would recommend those two shows, Dynasty and The Smart Money Woman. And I've also been trying to catch up on my Queer Eye. So, you know, I got enough. And I did dampen it a little bit about watching Dynasty. Is the fact that there are 3 different crystals. It's a little hard to talk while doing makeup. If you use these 2 concealers together, try to get to the blending stage a little faster. You get some good under eye coverage. The best thing that I learned from the Nigerian show on Netflix, the one I can remember off the top of my head, always have a emergency fund, a savings account, and you need an emergency fund to pass this information on so that it'll hopefully help you like it helped me. So far, can't keep my hands to myself. Okay, you guys, so I am going to do my hair and lashes and get ready because I have somewhere to be. And I'll be alright. I'm back. So here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell. And I will see you in the next one.